Dolphin Who Danced. A short moral story. In the shimmering waters of Coral Bay lived Bubbles, a playful young dolphin who loved to dance. She would twirl, leap, and spin above the waves, making the sunlight sparkle on her sleek, silver skin. But the other dolphins laughed at her. "Dancing won't help you catch fish," teased Finn, the fastest dolphin. Bubbles felt sad, but deep down, she loved to dance too much to stop. So, she kept practicing her flips and spins whenever she was alone. One day, a fishing net from a boat trapped Finn and some other dolphins. They struggled, but the net was too strong. The other dolphins panicked, unsure how to help. Bubbles quickly had an idea. Using her graceful moves, she twirled and spun through the water, weaving between the ropes with precision. With one swift flip, she loosened the knots, and the net opened. Finn and the others swam free. "Bubbles!" Finn gasped, "Your dancing saved us." All the dolphins cheered. "We laughed at you," Finn said, "but your talent was your strength." From that day on, Bubbles taught the pod how to dance, not just for fun, but to move with skill and grace through the sea. Moral: believe in your unique talents. One day, they may become your greatest strength. Thank you for watching.